Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. Israeli technology firm NSO developed a new system to help detect the flight of unauthorized commercial drones. More in this report.
Detect, identify, control, and ultimately secure. This is the essence of the new Eclipse anti-drone system developed by the Israeli company NSO, a sort of spiderweb that links the world of surveillance with those of cybernetics.
In order to protect a football stadium, a center of electricity, there's no solution today that can possibly detect this drone in an urban environment. There are no solutions today that allow protection of drones that could be malicious.
The emphasis here is security in an urban environment, how to protect an event, a football match for example, or VIP personalities from an enemy from the sky. According to these engineers, Eclipse would be able to counter a simultaneous attack on several dozen mini drones. In practice, this is how it works. Once the no-fly zone has been defined,
what you see here in yellow is the drone. It has been detected. We can see it here in red. We see its altitude as well as its speed and flight time. We see the route it's flying in from a GPS point of view, which allows Eclipse to know permanently where the drone is located in the air. We also see the position of the drone's pilot.
a scan of the area is performed continuously, 24/7. It is mainly automated and does not depend on a network, so no chance of being hacked and hijacked by counter-hackers.
The advantage here of Eclipse, which is based on cyber capacities, is that there is no interference between the networks and telecommunication.
In a time when COVID-19 has forced most borders to close, it is almost impossible for jihadists to infiltrate into enemy territory and strike. What could be simpler than buying a mini drone costing between $60 to $170 and turning it to an attack weapon?
Here's the drone that was flying in the direction of a building. It is not entering the perimeter. The drone was detected, identified. You have a concrete example right here.
The drone was therefore placed in a secure area to be dealt with. This will also allow us to understand its history. No need to destroy it, which could cause damage in urban areas. The Eclipse system has been sold over a dozen times to Western countries.